Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today, as you can see in the title down below, I have a random haul for you guys. And yes, if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know what I have here. So if you are new in this channel, you can click the subscribe button and click the bell button, not the belly button, it's the bell button, para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload new videos here in my channel. And yun, para naman interesting. And if you have a channel, please leave a comment down below kung may channel kayo, kasi naghahanap ako ng mga Filipino na YouTubers, ganyan. So I want to know. I will love to subscribe to you guys. So yes, subscribe lang para masaya, di ba? So yeah, enough blubbering and let's start with this video. So the first one that I got here is today's Palmolive shampoo and body wash. So let us open this one. Tsaka may free ano din siya. My free, what do you call this? What do you call this one? This one that you use to scrub your body. Loofah. Is this a loofah? Yes. So yun, I got this shampoo right here. So hindi pala siya nakakalas. So this shampoo and the body wash na may free na siya. And itong loofah, yes. So I got this new shampoo because, diba, sabi ko nga sa mga previous videos ko, lagi ako nagkaka-dandruff sa mga shampoo. Kahit sa Tresemme, nagkaka-dandruff pa rin ako kapag at the end of the yung mga bottle na, pag nagtagal sa akin yung shampoo yan, nagkaka-dandruff ako. So I need to change my shampoo every now and then. So if you know an organic shampoo na pwede siya sa dandruff, na ma-dandruff na na scalp, kasi parang dry pa or oily itong scalp ko, I don't know yet. So please let me know down below, and if you have a shop or something like that, please let me know para naman ma-visit ko, tsaka para ma-try ko yung mga products. So I'm willing to try new products for my hair. Moving on to another body hygiene kit, something like that. So I got this one here. So I have the Kojisan Skin Lightening Soap. So ito siya, ito yung apat na to. Ito yung tig sa 72.50, yung 3 blocks na siya, tapos tig sa 72.50. And I got the 3 blocks din siya, pero mas malalaki na tig 120 pesos. So yun, hindi ako masyadong addict sa Kojisan. So I just discovered recently na kasi parang squeaky clean talaga, tapos natatanggal niya yung dead skin cells. Pag nag-scrub na ako, bonggang-bongga, natatanggal ang mga dead skin cells. And napapansin ko, nagla-lighten kasi yung mga blemishes ko, and also my brother is already using this one. So I bought a lot in Watsons para naman hindi na kami pabili-bili or pabalik-balik na bumibili ng ganito. Kasi diba, madali siyang matunaw. So yes, this haul will not be complete without another skincare product from the Black PH. Ito po siya. I got the activated carbon, and the new one is the bentonite clay. So if you've seen my review of this product, the activated carbon, I will just put the link down below for you to know kung ano yung naging effect niya sa akin. And I said to the seller that I need to buy one more kasi ipapa-giveaway ko siya sa upcoming giveaway ko for my birthday giveaway. Tsaka pang thank you na din sa inyo guys na nanonood, ganun. And she was so kind to send me another one kasi binili ko tong dalawa, and then she was so kind to send me another one na ito. So ito, papa-giveaway ko. Ito, tapos di ko alam kung baka bibigay ko to sa friend ko kasi nakita nila yung mga review ko about this product. So nagustuhan din nila. So I'm gonna give this two away. Let's move on to the things that I will be needing for my vanity or makeup station, something like that. Parang nagdami kong makeup, pang skincare, parang ganun, pang ganun lang. So I have these 2 baskets here. Ayan, nakita nyo na to sa isang previous video ko, parang Novo haul video. So sa Novo lang ako nakakakita ng ganito kaganda ng mga basket, and they are so sturdy. Parang tig 45 lang to, tas ito parang 55, and this one was 45. Yes, gusto ko sana yung white, kaya lang wala na silang white. So I got the parang pinkish cream, something like that. I don't know what color is this. I'm colorblind. So yes, I love this too. And when I went to 168, parang Divisoria hon. Kasi may 168 din dito sa Urdaneta, dito sa Pangasinan. So I got this 3 baskets here na pinaglalagyan ko ng mga brushes ko, tsaka yung mga sample size or yung parang mga nakasashay na pang skin care products. I got another 3 again. Ayan siya, oh. I have the blue, the green, and the purple. So, yes, ang cute-cute lang nila sa vanity. So, I got 3 of this before and I got another 3 para ipapamigay sa aking giveaway. So, watch out for that giveaway if you want something like this. Ayan, ang cute-cute talaga nila. Super duper colorful. So, I'm giving away this 3. So, yes, that's all the things that I got for this haul. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And watch out for my giveaway. Kung hindi pa siya na-upload now, pag na-upload ko na siya, I will just put the link down below. And if hindi pa siya na-upload, just click the bell button para ma-notify kayo pag na-upload na siya. Though hindi naman kalakihan yung giveaway na yun, but yeah, just to say thank you to all of you guys. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you have a Facebook and Instagram, you can follow me and like my page, JoyOfMia, and let's talk to each other. So yeah, see you again. Bye!